So, today I had a crazy idea. We're gonna take some purple potatoes, also known as Magic Molly, which I keep saying Majestic Molly, but they're Magic Mollies, and it's on a drum. And I'm going to make some Belgian home fries, because that's what I want to do, and they sound really good. So let's make some fries. All right, first we're gonna peel them, and then we're gonna chop them. Cool. Got this feeling. I got a feeling. Ooh.
Can you cut one in half? Show everyone.
Let's cut them like this because I gotta cut them like fries.
Aww.
Oh. Okay, not as purple as I thought.
That's not as purple as they're supposed to be. They'll
Well.
be a crossbreed.
Well, we're doing it. I just am making a video. Magical. What?
Magical.
Alright. Alright. Then we're gonna cut these, and then we're going to blanch them. That's what that looks like in there. Can you see it? They're purple in a purple bowl. Well, semi-purple in a purple bowl. Okay, so we soaked for 30 minutes, and we're drying them, and then into that pot over there. All right, we're gonna fill up canola oil, cast iron. I'm poor. I'm just saying that because I don't have a deep fryer, so just stay with me, all right? We're gonna do this thing kind of together because you're not actually here and I'm by myself talking to you through a camera. Okay, so I've got semi-purple potatoes, There they are. Cool. Is it working? Oh, it's hot. Tighten up, splashing water in there. All right, let's get it. Here we go. Maybe it wasn't ready. Good enough. Cool. All right, 5 minutes, just five. Then we're gonna take them off and we're gonna put them over there. Here we go. Follow me. We're gonna turn that off for a second. Oh yeah, here we go. We're gonna put this out right here. Let me try the other hand. Okay, so here's our preliminary stage of our fries. As you can see, they look pretty purple. Now this isn't our final product. We're gonna deep fry these for another 5 minutes, and that's how you get that awesome crisp with Belgian fries. All right, here is the finished product. They're a bit crispy looking. I mean, they're supposed to be crispy, but they're really crispy. They're a little bit softer than I expected. Okay, so we're gonna have these typical Belgian fashion. Mayo. There it is. Okay. So, you can already tell they're a little bit too crispy. I think that's the cut size that I did. And also, I don't know, these were a little bit softer than the russets that I'm used to cooking. They took less time, so if you're doing this, it'd cook them for a little bit less probably. But let's see. That's not bad though. That's not bad. Mayo's good with it. Actually, like really good. You know what? I might need to retry this, but get some purpler potatoes. But these are definitely semi. I mean, does that count as a purple potato? Krista, try these.
It's not bad.
Salt makes it a lot better.
It's hard to find like the right size to eat.
That mayo's really good with it too.
It's like just better enough.
Thanks for checking out this video. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Also, any feedback would be greatly appreciated, so leave anything down in the comments that you want to say to me that you don't like or that you do like. Anything will literally help me on making better videos for you guys. Also, if you want to follow me on my Instagram, you can as well. I'll put that also in the description as well. Have a great day, guys.